myself and one of my consultant colleagues, Dr. Adiaman, we both host the MRCP PACES exam for the Royal College of Physicians of Edinburgh. And that provides an opportunity for some of the junior doctors who are interested or who are going for the exam to help us in running the exam, and that gives the opportunity for the doctors to come behind the scene and look at how the exam runs, and that has been a very good sort of teaching platform for prospective MRCP PACES candidates. And of course we cater for MRCP Part 1 and Part 2 theories as well. We have dedicated teaching programs for those types of exams as well. There are lots of prizes for the junior doctors to go for as well. We have in the grand rounds the Geoffrey Lloyd Memorial Award that is given to the best junior doctor presentation, and there are some other prizes as well, and that happens once or twice a year. And then all the different training grades of doctors have the opportunity to win some sort of prize or awards, and there are different fora where they can present their audits or QIPs, cases, and get some recognition for those. We are also very keen that the junior doctors participate in audits, in national audits, and also in the QIP programs, and that happens very proactively on a regular basis. As I mentioned earlier, our consultant supervisors, the educational supervisors, are also of very high standards. They are trained and they have reached the competence to function as ESs, and that is always a bonus point for the trainees and also for the non-training doctors as well. The acute on-calls are busy in Glan Clwyd Hospital, but that again provides the opportunity for the juniors to work in acute medicine and get experience right at the front door. There is consultant rounds, consultant presence throughout the day of the on-call. There are multiple rounds, so the juniors will be supported. And also, as a result of this, you will get plenty of opportunities to do your own SLEs as well, the assessments following on from an acute on-call. The doctor's mess has been fantastic. It's a new development and it's part of the new build in the central part of the hospital, very near to the canteen, and we have a very, very proactive and supportive junior doctors welfare officer as well, who really takes care of all the doctors in the hospital, and that has been fantastic. You will also get plenty of opportunity to teach different categories of professionals, including medical students. We get year 3, year 4, year 5 medical students coming to the different specialties in medicine department. We have trainee advanced nurse practitioners, and we have other professionals who also train in medicine with us, and so there is opportunity for those of you who are keen to develop your competence to teach, to participate in these activities.